Hello, friends. Are we all leading a successful and fulfilled life? How do we know? There are four points or abilities which we need to understand whether we are going in the right direction. The first one is learn from your experience. Learn to absorb whatever you have learned from your past experiences or the present experiences. Past experiences gives you a lot of reflection. You can go through and understand what all you have gone through, what all mistakes you have done, what had worked for you. So, this is very important that you try to understand what is happening within you and what is the world around you. There are a lot of things which can be learned from other people, which generally we try to avoid or don't feel important. But there are few people who learn from us. They observe us and try to take good important points or positive points which they will try to inculcate in their life. So we also need to do the same thing. We need to understand what is happening around us, see how we can improve upon, and go to the next level. Second is the ability to respond. We should have emotions touching us. Unless we have the emotions touching us, we will not be able to respond effectively. Whatever we have learned from our earlier experiences, we should be able to respond and do things accordingly. We should be able to take it to the next level, and we should be able to try to work on our improvements. The third ability is to reflect back how we have done what we have done. It is important to understand. It could be health, it could be relationship, it could be your career, and it could be anything. We should understand how we have come through or what all challenges we have overcome, what are the positives which we have developed over a period of time, and try to improve upon that. So reflection is, it can be done in a day, at the end of the day or at the end of the week, but we should have some specific a goal chart, a planner, where we need to understand and go through each and every point, what all we have done, how we have done, how we can improve upon further. The fourth important point is, it is important to share what we have within us or what we have learned. Unless we share, we'll not be able to develop ourselves, and will not have that feeling of sharing what we have learned over a period of time. Sharing is so important. For example, if you read a book, if you share it to 10 other people, they will share it with other people. But ultimately, it will come back to you saying that everyone will say that you have referred the book, and then we learned so much good things about it. So, sharing can be anything, it is not just about a book. It can be your experiences again, what all you have learned. Share it with youngsters, share it with other people, where they will try to understand how they can improve their life and how they can move forward. So these are the four abilities. Time to Trying to understand from your experience, how do you respond to situations. Third is ability to reflect back on what you have done, and the most important thing is sharing, how you can share your experiences and add value to others. So these are the four important abilities which can make your life fulfilled. If you feel this video has added value to you, please share a like, and I am also available on YouTube. You can also subscribe so that I can share more of such videos. Thank you.